Welcome to the Clingy biomarker. Have you ever felt an urgent need for connection one week, only to feel like a total stranger to yourself 48 hours later? If you've been dismissed as clingy or too sensitive, you are not looking at a personality flaw. You're looking at a neurochemical survival mechanism. Today, we're using 2026 research to prove why your quote, social battery is actually a hormonal biomarker. That swing between an urgent need for connection and suddenly feeling distant is a common experience, but it's rarely explained by science, until now. Your clinginess is not a personality flaw. It's a fundamental neurochemical survival mechanism, tied directly to your cycle. We are proving that your social battery is a hormonal biomarker, using groundbreaking research published as recently as 2026. Let's look at the receipts. The evidence is clear on the link between your cycle and your social needs. A landmark study published in PubMed in November 2025, titled Progesterone and Negative Emotionality Across and Between Ovulatory Cycles, examined exactly how these hormonal fluctuations affect your primary relationships. The data shows that mean levels of progesterone are a direct predictor of what researchers call partner investment concerns. This is further backed by Science Immunology in February 2026, which proves that sex hormones like testosterone and progesterone actually regulate your immune-driven pain and stress resolution. You aren't needy. Your brain is simply recalibrating its core need for safety and support based on where you are in your cycle. The real danger isn't the feeling. It's the lack of data available to you. Let's do a gaslighting audit. When you tell a provider, "I feel anxious and clingy," the standard response is often an SSRI, or a suggestion for stress management. This is often insufficient. The Science Immunology study shows women experience longer-lasting stress and pain responses due to hormone-regulated immune cells, such as monocytes. This means your clinginess is actually a biological distress signal, a physical request for safety and resolution. In our LunarWise user sets, we see a 30% spike in support-seeking tags, specifically during the high progesterone window. When you bring a LunarWise evidence report to your appointment, you aren't asking for an opinion. You're presenting a case file, backed by your own personal data. It's time for an action plan to take back control of your health narrative. You are a study of one. Stop letting 1950s medical definitions dictate your 2026 mental health. You need to track the correlation between your neurochemistry and your social behavior to truly understand your body. Start your LunarWise trial at the link below. Get your AI-driven advocacy report and stop being a victim of a system that refuses to read the latest research. Build your case. Protect your peace. Download LunarWise today.